If you ever had issues with holds, with reserves, with any issues on PayPal, then I'll give you the specific template, specific solution here. So just comment cheat sheet if you want like the whole document here, but I'll kind of like guide you through it so you can kind of like eliminate some of these mistakes and also eliminate some of the holds. If you already have holds, I'll show you exactly how to deal with that. And before we get into that, guys, just make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss more videos like this. One thing that I wanted to share with you that's not necessarily on the PayPal topic, but I got this bin here in my office and it's so helpful, right? So if you work from the office and you want to take a nap, 20-minute nap can just dramatically increase your productivity. As a general rule of thumb, you don't want to keep a lot of money on PayPal. We used to keep like $500,000, $1 million. My assumption was that if we keep it, then PayPal was saying, oh, probably we're like legitimate sellers because we keep so much money there. But it wasn't the case. You know, sometimes we have our clients in our private community, private mastermind, having holds $100,000, for example, and all of that amount is just basically getting on hold. So the amount of money that you keep on PayPal doesn't translate necessary to kind of like how much trust they put in you. Keep like $10,000, $20,000, something that you can comfortably, not lose, but if they put a hold on it, at least it doesn't kill your business, right? So don't keep a lot of money there. You can use that balance to pay your advertising spend. So let's say you're getting $50,000 in sales today, and then you're paying like $20,000 for your ad spend. So right away, the money goes from your PayPal, just pays for the ad spend, right? And just kind of like constant cycle. So you'll never really accumulate a lot of money there. Also, we have here the template that helps some of our community members to get their money back. So if you have a hold, let's say $30,000, $50,000, $100,000, you can reach out to PayPal with this template and could potentially get your money back, right? The success rate is probably like 30 to 50% with this, but if it works, now you can get your money back, and now it will help your business tremendously with the cash flow. One of our members here, they released 32,000 pounds, which is approximately like $40,000, $50,000. I don't know even the currency exchange rates right now. $40,000, $50,000, they released it in a few days, and he was able to continue to scale. And also provided here some of the email addresses where you can specifically send it to. These are emails where PayPal looks for those like concerns from like unhappy customers and stuff like that. If your account on PayPal gets restricted, right, and that you're just restricted, they put you like 180 days, you need to act, you need to be active. You can't just wait and like hope that they'll give you money back. After 180 days, they'll try to get your money. So what will happen is like, oh, we put your money on hold, you get it after 180 days. Call them and you want to tell them that you want to close your account today, clear your balance, and you have to stay firm and tell them that unless they provide proof of malpractice, it's your money, not theirs, and indicate exactly which bank account you wish to withdraw your funds to. So all of these directions, guys, again, comment cheat sheet so we can send it your way. We recently updated with some new information, some new contact details. Literally, we have here the information of the law firms that you could use. If your situation is very bad, you have, let's say, holds of like $100,000 and you have like 180 days hold. You can literally lose your money, right? So that's a situation where you might even involve the lawyer. And even if you pay a lawyer, let's say $3,000, $5,000 to get your money back, it will still be worth it. PayPal is quite aggressive. They literally have this like terms of service where they don't like drop shippers. So if you're drop shipping and you're having issues, that's one of the issues, because like they don't like that bad user experience. Because if someone had bad experience with drop shipping store, they might be like less likely to use PayPal. So PayPal might lose that person as a user in general. And that's why they're so strict for drop shippers. So if they see you're shipping like 20 days, that's where they start become very aggressive for you. So if possible, hold the inventory like locally closer so you have the shortest shipping times, and that will help you dramatically. For example, with our e-commerce business that has inventory in the United States, we don't have any issues whatsoever. When you are ready, just move towards that direction for your business, because that's pretty much the only way forward, the only way to build a sustainable business that you can eventually sell. So guys, let me know what it's saying, comment cheat sheet so we can send it to you. Hey guys, people have been asking me how we scale to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures per month without getting shut down on Facebook. And we have a very sophisticated solution for this that I want to share with you, but it's just like too valuable to give away for free. So if you guys want this solution, just book a call with one of my team members and we'll show you exactly what it is and how it works, and we'll see if that's a good fit for you and for your business. So just book a call with my team member. We'll share it with you so you can scale your business to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures per month without getting shut down on Facebook, without having inconsistency, and with high profitability. So just book a call with my team and I'll see you there. Still using it because it helps with conversion rate. You can try to do it without it. You know, we have some members in our community that just sell without PayPal, but you will lose some conversion. So if you can use it, definitely do everything in your power to continue using it and have higher conversion rate. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment cheat sheet so we can send it your way. The whole framework here, you can replicate it. You can use this in case any issues happening to you. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments so we can help each other out, or maybe some other thing that I missed, just let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I want to connect, mastermind, and network with 6, 7, 8 figure entrepreneurs. Join our free community on Facebook, which is called Brand Hypergrowth. It's for only entrepreneurs who are already doing at least $30,000 or more in sales per month and want to go to 7, 8 figures. So you can connect, you can network, you can mastermind, you can exchange insights and value with these guys and take your business to the next level. So there should be a link in the description. Make sure you join today.